So, what is concrete is the most used man-made construction material. The materials used in the manufacturing of concrete are known as ingredients of concrete. Concrete is also known as an artificial stone since it has many similar characteristics of a natural stone. The various materials used as ingredients of concrete are: first one is cement, aggregates and water. So, first is cement. Cement is the most important ingredient of concrete and acts as a binding material. Cement has adhesive and cohesive properties. The cement used for construction is known as Portland cement. Due to the wide use of Portland cement as the cementing material, the word concrete means Portland cement concrete. Functions of cement in concrete. First one is cement binds the coarse and fine aggregates by filling the voids and chemically reacting with waters. Second, it provides strength, durability and water tightness to the concrete. Cement is the only about 10% of the volume of concrete mix. Factors affecting the selection of a particular type of cement. First factor is the type of structures. Second, the conditions under which the construction is to take place. Third is the desired strength of the concrete structures. So, these are the three factors which affect the selection of a particular type of cement. Physical properties of cement. First is fineness. The degree of grinding of cement is called fineness of cement. For a given weight of cement, the surface area is more for a finer cement than for a coarser cement. Finer the cement, greater is the rate of chemical reaction. This results in greater strength development, but too much fineness is also undesirable because it generates greater heat which results cracks in concrete. Second is setting time. When cement is mixed with water to make a cement paste, it becomes gradually less plastic and finally becomes hard mass. When cement paste loses its plasticity, it is sufficiently rigid to resist a definite amount of pressure. The setting time is divided into two parts: initial setting time and final setting time. The time at which the cement paste loses its plasticity after the addition of water is known as initial setting time. The time corresponding to the paste becoming a hard mass is known as final setting time. The initial setting time is required for mixing, transporting and placing of the concrete. At the time of initial setting, the temperature rises rapidly and at the final setting the temperature reaches a peak value. Third property is soundness. The phenomena by virtue of which cement does not undergo large changes in volume when treated with water is known as soundness. As unsound cement will disintegrate due to volumetric changes caused by the presence of free lime and magnesia in cement. An unsound cement contains some free lime even after the final grinding. This free lime hydrates slowly. The free lime is covered by a thin film of cement. This prevents direct contact between lime and water. After paste has set, moisture penetrates into the free lime and hydration starts. The slacked lime occupies a large volume, hence expansion takes place and develop cracks after some time. Fourth property is compressive strength. The quality of cement for its strength is judged by finding the compressive strength of the cement sand mortar. For this purpose, cement sand mortar in the ratio of 1:3 is used. The compressive strength at the time of failure for ordinary cement not be less than the following values. The compressive strength should be, after 3 days, it should be 16 megapascals, and after 7 days the compressive strength should be 22 megapascal. Fifth property is heat of hydration. The chemical reaction between cement and water is called hydration of cement. The heat of hydration is defined as the quantity of heat generated during complete hydration at a given temperature. The heat of hydration increases with temperature at which hydration takes place. Compounds of cement. First one is tricalcium silicate, and second is dicalcium silicate, and third one is tricalcium aluminate, and fourth one is tetra calcium alumina ferrite, denoted as C4AF. Next is types of cement. The different type of cements are: first one is ordinary Portland cement, generally known as OPC, and it may be 33 grade and OPC may be 43 grade and OPC 53 grades. Second is rapid hardening cement. Third is low heat cement. Fourth one is blast furnace slag cement. Number 5, sulphate resisting cement. 6. Air entraining cement. 7th one, white and colored cement. Number 8, high alumina cement. 9, pozzolana cement. And 10, oil well cement. And 11, quick setting cement. So first is ordinary Portland cement. Nearly 60% of the cement used in the country is ordinary Portland cement. It is most suitable for use in general concrete constructions where there is no exposure to sulfates in the soil or in groundwater. Ordinary Portland cement has a medium rate of strength development and heat generation. This type of cement is also called normal setting cement, since its setting is normal when mixed with water. The Bureau of Indian Standards has graded the ordinary Portland cement into 3 grades. First is 33 grade, second 43 grade, and third is 53 grade. Properties of OPC. First is it is residue by weight is not to exceed 10% when sieve through IS sieve number 9. Second, in the soundness test, its expansion is not more than 10 mm. Third is its initial setting time is not less than 30 minutes and final setting time not more than 10 hours. The compressive strength of this cement is 60, 23, 27 for 3 days of 3 grades and 22, 33, 35 for the 3 grades for 7 days, and similarly 33, 43, 53 megapascal for the 3 grades for 28 days. Rapid hardening cement. As the name indicates, it attains its strength at a much rapid rate than normal cements. Therefore, rapid hardening cement can be called as high early strength cement. The strength of this cement at the age of 3 days is equal to the 7 days strength of ordinary Portland cement with the same water cement ratio. The increased rate of gain of strength is achieved by a higher tricalcium silicate content and by finer grinding of clinkers. The shrinkage of rapid hardening is more than that of ordinary Portland cement. Its cost is 10% more than ordinary Portland cement. Its residue by weight is not to exceed 5% when sieved through IS sieve number 5. In soundness test, its expansion is not more than 10 mm. And third property is its initial setting time is not less than 30 minutes and final setting time not more than 10 hours. The compressive strength of this cement is 16.079 27.0 Newton per mm square after 1 day and 3 days respectively. Third is low heat cement. This type of cement generates lesser amount of heat of hydration as compared to the ordinary Portland cement. It contains lower percentage of tricalcium aluminate and higher percentage of dicalcium silicate. This results in a slower rate of reaction, lower generation of heat of hydration and a lower early strength. In this cement, heat of hydration is limited to 65 calories per gram in a period of 7 days and 80 calories per gram in a period of 28 days. The ultimate strength remains more or less unaffected. It has a better resistance to sulfate attack than the ordinary and rapid hardening cements due to the reduced tricalcium aluminate content. Blast furnace slag cement. Blast furnace slag is a waste product in the manufacturing of pig iron slag. Pig iron slag is a mixture of lime, silica and alumina. This cement is made by grinding ordinary Portland cement clinkers and blast furnace slag together. Blast furnace slag cement is similar to ordinary Portland cement. It can be used in all places where ordinary Portland cement is used. Its strength is early days is less and hence it require longer curing period. The heat generation is low. This cement is cheaper than ordinary Portland cement. Properties. It is blackish grey in color. Its residue by weight is not to exceed 10% when sieved through IS. Sieve number 9. In soundness test, its expansion is not more than 10 mm. Its initial setting time is not less than 30 minutes and final setting time not more than 10 hours. The compressive strength of this cement is 16 for 3 days and 22 megapascal for 7 days. Super sulfated cement. This cement is made by intergrading of a mixture of blast furnace slag, calcium sulfate and small quantity of ordinary Portland cement clinkers. Super sulfated cement is ground rather finer than ordinary Portland cement. This cement has very high percentage tricalcium silicate and dicalcium silicate and very low percentage of C3A and tetracalcium aluminum ferrite. This combination of low C3A and C4AF makes the cement much resistant to sulfate attack. Due to this low combination, cement has a high strength, but the early strength is low. Properties: its residue by weight is not to exceed 5% when sieved through IS sieve number 9. Its initial setting time is not more than 30 minutes and final setting time not more than 10 hours. The compressive strength of this cement is 15 for 3 days, 22 megapascal for 7 days and 30 megapascal for 28 days. Air entraining cement. It is ordinary Portland cement mixed with small quantities of air entraining agents during the process of grinding. When concrete is prepared from this cement, it contains mint and well distributed air bubbles. The air bubbles are so mint that there are many billion of bubbles even in 1 meter cube of concrete. On account of the presence of these air bubbles, the strength of concrete gets reduced by 10 to 15%, but these bubbles make the concrete more plastic and workable. Reduced segregation and bleeding of concrete. Concrete made from this cement has more resistance to freezing. White and colored cement. The grayish color of ordinary Portland cement is due to the presence of iron oxide. White cement is manufactured from pure white chalk and fine clay free from iron oxide. Oil is used as a fuel instead of coal to avoid contamination. The colored cements are prepared by adding only 5 to 10% of coloring pigments to ordinary Portland cement or white cement. The pigments is added during the process of grinding the cement clinkers. Chromium oxide gives green colors, cobalt gives blue colors, iron oxide in different proportions gives brown, red and yellow colors. Magnesium oxide is used to produce black or brown colored cement. High alumina cement. This cement is a type of rapid hardening cement. The raw materials are bauxite and limestone. Bauxite is an aluminum ore. This cement is manufactured by melting bauxite and limestone and grinding the clinkers so formed to a fine powder. The total alumina content in this cement should not be less than 32% by weight. It has a very high rate of strength development. About 80% of strength is developed in 24 hours. Its compressive strength after 1 day should not be less than 30 Newton per mm square and after 3 days not less than 35 Newton mm square. Portland pozzolana cement. This cement is manufactured by intergrinding Portland cement, clinker and pozzolana. Pozzolana is a natural or artificial material containing silica and alumina. Properties: it is brownish in color. Its residue by weight is not to exceed 5% when sieved through IS sieve number 9. In soundness test, its expansion is not more than 10 mm. Its initial setting time is not less than 30 minutes and final setting time not more than 10 hours. its compressive strength after 7 days should not less than 17.5 Newton per mm square.